Get paid to watch YouTube videos. Make money online in 2024. Hey, Profitability Plus folks! Ready to unlock a whole new level of online earning? Well, you're in the right place. No corporate jargon here, just straight up strategies to pad your wallet. Let's dive in. Step 1. Navigate to youtube.com. Click on videos offering the potential to earn over $1,800 in PayPal money. The process is simple. Open a video, watch a minimum of 60 seconds, and earn up to $22. This method is globally applicable and requires only a mobile device or computer. Initiate the process by signing into your YouTube account. Next, select videos with broad appeal. Consider categories like Make Money Online, Challenges, or Compilations. For those uncertain about video selection, leverage YouTube's Explore section or Google Trends for trending topics such as music, movies, and gaming. Moving on to Step 2. Focus on top live games on YouTube like GTA 5. Click on live videos to tap into the high-demand space of live gameplay. Stay tuned for a secret strategy to enhance your earnings towards the end of this video. Proceed to Step 3. Utilize Shrink Me to capitalize on the opportunity to earn money by shortening URL links. Sign up and receive a $1 sign-up bonus. Shorten YouTube video links and earn up to $22 for every 1,000 clicks. Withdraw your earnings easily via PayPal with a minimum threshold of $5. For Step 4, leverage Facebook to expand your reach. Join active groups related to your selected videos, such as GTA 5 groups. Post a simple inquiry like, "Have you seen this GTA 5 live gameplay?" along with your shortened link. As a bonus step, amplify your earnings by targeting forums. Search for forums related to your video content, join them, and make daily posts. This straightforward process allows you to tap into new audiences and increase your overall earnings. Now that we've explored strategies to get paid for watching videos on platforms like YouTube, let's dive into additional avenues where your time spent watching content translates into tangible rewards. These platforms provide alternative methods for earning, ranging from completing surveys to unlocking your phone screen. Number 1. CashKick. Watch videos, earn via PayPal. CashKick provides a straightforward method to earn by watching videos and receiving PayPal payments. This online platform offers various tasks, including surveys and internet surfing, making it easy to accumulate earnings. Choose from a range of simple tasks and share your feedback to contribute to product enhancement. The unique feature of CashKick is its direct PayPal rewards, eliminating the need for gift cards or points. Sign up if you're 18 years or older and reside in the US, using your email or connecting CashKick directly to your PayPal account. Number 2. SwagBucks. Cash for video watching. SwagBucks offers a reliable way to earn extra dollars by watching videos and completing mini tasks. Accumulate SB points by watching videos, which can be converted into gift cards or cash. Maximize your points by running videos in the background while engaging in other tasks like surveys. Complete the daily to-do list, surf the internet, play games, and install the swag button for additional points. With a low withdrawal threshold starting from $1, cash out your earnings easily. Sign up on SwagBucks for a $5 bonus. Number 3. Inbox Dollars. Watch and earn across categories. Inbox Dollars provides a free membership to get paid for watching videos across various categories. View potential earnings for each video before watching and earn varying amounts, from cents to substantial sums. Watching more videos unlocks opportunities, including virtual scratch cards with hidden cash prizes. With a minimum $15 requirement for payment, Inbox Dollars supports multiple payment methods, including PayPal, checks, gift cards, or prepaid Visa. Number 4. Izua. Earn by watching and completing tasks. Izua, a get-paid-to site, offers payments for completing surveys, offers, and games. While videos are lower paid tasks, their passive nature contributes to earnings. Stream videos while engaging in other activities on the site, such as playing games or redeeming promo codes. With task flexibility, Izua allows you to choose tasks that suit your preferences, offering a versatile platform for earning extra income. Number 5. MyPoints. Watch playlists, earn points. MyPoints, established since 1996, rewards you with points for watching complete playlists of videos. The MyPoints mobile app enables you to watch videos anytime, anywhere. Earn up to 500 points per day by watching videos, with points varying in value depending on redemption method. MyPoints stands out with its partnership with United Airlines, allowing you to add points to your United Mileage Plus account. Redemption methods include PayPal, Visa Prepay, or gift cards. Number 6. Prize Rebel. Earn money with various tasks. Launched in 2007, Prize Rebel is a versatile rewards website where you can earn money through surveys, watching videos, and internet searches. While videos offer minimal points, they provide an easy way to make extra dollars. Prize Rebel offers a diverse reward catalog with over 500 gift card options, and you can opt for cash redemptions through PayPal deposits or Visa prepaid gift cards. Number 7. AppNana. Download, play, watch for cash bonuses. AppNana allows you to download and get paid to play games, with an added feature of watching videos for cash bonuses. Video rewards are modest but provide a simple way to earn extra dollars, especially for gaming enthusiasts. The platform is available in both Android and iOS, catering to a wide audience. Number 8. Ad Wallet. Get paid for watching video ads. Ad Wallet offers a straightforward way to earn money by watching video ads. Personalized ads based on your profile settings are sent to you. Cash out once you reach a $10 threshold. Choosing between a MasterCard prepaid card or over 200 gift card options. To join, you only need to be 13 years of older, with an active cell phone number and a verified email address. Number 9. Fusion Cash. Hassle-free earnings for various tasks. Fusion Cash provides a hassle-free platform for earning money through various methods, including watching videos. Unlike other sites, Fusion Cash pays for every individual video you watch, allowing you to accumulate earnings while completing other tasks. While the hourly rate may be lower, the passive nature of video watching makes it a convenient way to boost your account balance. Number 10. Earnably. Earn digital rewards with referral bonuses. Earnably offers digital rewards or gift cards through tasks like completing offers, watching videos, or taking surveys. What sets Earnably apart is its active promotion of referrals, allowing you to earn 10% of your referrals income. With a low withdrawal threshold, you can earn rewards in just 1 to 2 hours of daily activity. The platform supports both US dollars and GB pounds, providing a range of redemption options. Thank you for joining us on this journey to financial empowerment. Remember, your path to profitability is an ongoing adventure. Stay tuned for more insights, strategies, and opportunities to enhance your financial well-being. Wishing you success and prosperity on your road to financial gains. Until next time, stay inspired and profit on!